Welcome to a world of sweetness. This is the Ice Cream Biscuit Factory, where frozen dreams come true. Every day begins with fresh ingredients arriving from trusted farms and suppliers. Milk, cream, sugar, and flour are carefully stored in temperature-controlled silos. The journey starts with biscuit dough mixing inside massive industrial mixers. The dough becomes smooth, soft, and perfectly balanced. Large rolling machines flatten the dough into even sheets. Precision cutters shape thousands of biscuits every minute. The biscuits enter long tunnel ovens and bake to golden perfection. As they exit the oven, warm steam gently rises from the biscuits. Cooling tunnels bring the biscuits to the perfect temperature. Meanwhile, ice cream production begins in chilled mixing tanks. Creamy flavors like vanilla, chocolate, and strawberry are added. The mixture swirls smoothly, creating rich textures. The base is pasteurized to ensure safety and quality. High-pressure machines make the ice cream ultra-smooth. The mixture freezes into soft, creamy ice cream. Every drop is perfectly textured and silky smooth. Fresh ice cream flows onto the production line. Perfectly baked biscuits are placed onto the conveyor. A generous layer of ice cream is added on top. Another biscuit gently seals the sandwich. Rows of ice cream biscuits move forward in perfect alignment. Chocolate is melted until smooth and glossy. Ice cream biscuits pass through rich chocolate waterfalls. Slow-motion chocolate drips create a mouth-watering finish. Crunchy nuts and sprinkles add the final touch. The biscuits enter a flash-freezing tunnel. They emerge frozen, firm, and flawless. Smart cameras inspect each biscuit for perfection. Human experts double-check quality by hand. Colorful packaging rolls into automated machines. Each ice cream biscuit is wrapped at high speed. The packets are sealed and cut precisely. Expiry dates are printed clearly on every wrapper. Finished products are packed into boxes. Robotic arms stack boxes onto pallets. The products are stored in massive cold warehouses. Temperature is monitored every second. Electric forklifts move pallets silently. Engineers monitor the entire factory from control rooms. Machines are cleaned automatically after production. Waste materials are recycled responsibly. Even at night, the factory never sleeps. Steam and frost create a magical atmosphere. Refrigerated trucks are loaded for delivery. Cold mist escapes as truck doors close. This is the complete ice cream biscuit production line, a perfect product ready to be enjoyed. Creamy, crunchy, and delicious in every bite. From factory to freezer, this is how ice cream biscuits are made.